If you are here, it's because you know you are meant for more. And I know that feeling. I've been where you are stuck, frustrated, waking up with this knot in your stomach thinking, is this really my life? Is this what I'm going to do for the next 40 years? And you try to push it down, distract yourself with Netflix, with scrolling, with drinking, with whatever. But the truth always somehow comes back. You know you were meant for more. That's why this video found you, because right now you are at that point. You are standing at the edge and deep down you know something has to change. And maybe you don't know where to start. Maybe you are scared to even admit it, but I promise you, if you stay with me, if you actually listen to this could be your turning point. Not because I'm special, not because I got some magic secret, but because I've been there. Broke, addicted, $20,000 in debt, a plumber living in a basement apartment, and I found a way out. If I can do it, you can do it too. And maybe, just maybe, this is the moment that snaps you awake. That's why you are here.